Hello and welcome to the review for the 13th of January 2011 and the preview for the 14th of January 2011. Let's get started. Let us look at the trades based on the recommendations from yesterday. This is the US dollar CAD 5-minute chart, and the 5-minute chart had suggested we sell the USD CAD pair when using the 21 SMA technique after the European markets open. The European markets open at 2 a.m. and let's see how would we have fared using that trade technique. We'd have sold right here with a stop above this high, and a 1:1 risk reward would have got us out at the absolute low for a 10 pip profit. We continue, and now we're still looking to sell the USD CAD. So we get the next entry right about here. That's about 4:30 a.m. EST, and with a stop loss of about 10 pips, we are able to target and get close to 10 pips, and with the spread we are able to get 8 pips in a kitty. We continue. We have other crosses right here, but we do not sell the USD CAD back here because the entry is very close to our previous entry. For me to have a decent trade, I want to sell into a rally. Now this is not selling into a rally. So though some people might have taken a sell trade at this 21 SMA crossover, and it would have worked out for them, but I did not take this trade personally. Let's continue further. Now we have another rally. We have another rally, and we have a crossover right here. We did in fact have a crossover before that, but once we had this crossover, we got a big bullish candle, and I was too afraid to short right up at the high of this candle, especially because I did not have any place to put a stop loss. So once it made these highs and it fell down below the 21 SMA, that gave us an entry to go short, and it went against us for a little while and turned around, and we could make our 20 pips including spread in this particular trade. So all in all, we made about 9 pips, 8 pips and 20 pips using the trade idea of selling the USD CAD pair after the European market opens. I'm currently still in a trade because we got this low, and then again the price moved around, turned back up, and made this. Ideally should be a new high, but I yet took this trade and I sold right out here, and my stop loss is above this high, and my take profit is around 0.9875 ish area. So let's see whether this trade materializes or not.